Hey, welcome to the Netyard demo. So, what is Netyard? Netyard gives you the insight you need to make smart decisions and keep things running smooth. Whether you're checking out key metrics, digging into profit and sales, or managing inventory, Netyard has got your back. So, let's dive in and see why Netyard is a game changer for your business. Let's start it off with Netyard's dashboard. Here you get a snapshot of your cost of goods sold, fees, PPC spend, and profits over a specific period. Plus, you can dive deep into detailed PPC breakdown. See exactly how much you're spending, your PPC sales, the split between organic and PPC sales, ACOS and TACOS, conversion rates, and profits. It's all right here, easy to see and understand. Click on the little P&L button to get a quick profit breakdown. It lets you easily see where all these totals are coming from. Up here at the top is a date picker. You can select the time range and we'll give you the totals for that period. All right, let's start checking out some of Netyard's main pages. Take a look at the KPI dashboard. KPI obviously stands for Key Performance Indicators, and that's where you find the vitals of your business. At the top, you can quickly compare different time ranges to see how your sales, fees, and profits have been doing over time. Is everything on track? Are there any changes you need to make based on the trends? You can compare last 30 days with the previous month or the same period last year. Further down, you'll find flexible charts where you can compare metrics like revenue, profits, and costs, orders with quantity sold, or profits with ad spend. You can run these comparisons on a weekly, monthly, or quarterly basis. Trending items will show you the top 10 items that have been trending really high in sales. These are the items you need to keep an eye on to make sure you don't run out of stock given the increase in demand. Select the profitable option to see these items sorted by how profitable they are. Just like before, you have the P&L tooltip here to give you all the details. Moving on, you'll find your top 5 items in various groups like top 5 in sales, profits, ROI, stock holding, or your most heavily overstocked items. There are also subgroups within each group where you can dive deeper into these details. All right, let's turn to Netyard's best report yet, the profit reports. Here you'll find columns for revenue, ROI, fees, PPC, and profits. And using the column picker, you can find many more optional columns, and you can also remove columns that don't matter to you. You can group the data by SKU, ASIN, or product. You can filter by account, and you can use the date picker to narrow down the results to a specific time range. There's also a beautiful summary at the top that shows you the most vital data. This summary will update based on the specified time frame. And here too, you can click on the P&L to see the full breakdown. You can use the search bar to look up items by SKU or other details. And the previous page showed you all the profits by merchandise, but you can also see all the profit data grouped by date. This way, you can see the profits on any given day. Moving on to the order list page, and here every order gets broken down with details like selling price, refunds, fees, and profits. Lastly, we're reviewing the sales trends section, where you can see trends in different key areas over specified time frames. Pick the type of data you're looking for and choose a time frame to be compared. And there are also some cool charts at the top, also showing different data points. All right, if you're an existing Nineyard user, you can get started with Netyard for as low as $9.99 a month. And you can do that by going to Settings, Billing, and selecting the appropriate tier. The setup involves only 2 steps. One is adding your cost, which can be done one by one, or you can also upload a bulk sheet of item costs and prep costs. By the way, if you're using Nineyard for your inventory management, your costs are being imported automatically from your POs. The next and last part of the setup is to connect your advertising, which is done by going to Settings, Integrations, expanding the Amazon accounts, and clicking Connect. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.